Okay, well, look, I wanted to just talk to you a little bit about something that I'm sure has been on your mind. You've been considering, probably just putting it off. You know, we're very busy people, got a lot of things that we do every day in our work and with our families. And the important things that we need to do sometimes go on the back burner, where we just kind of put them in the back of our minds and we make the comment that, well, someday we'll get around to doing it, but, I have more important things to do today than to take care of this. And days go by and weeks go by. Before you know it, years go by and they never get done. And the important things that need to be done should be done today. But because of our lack of just, doing it, that people forget to take care of these things that are very important to our families and to our children and to our way of life. And so I just want to say that today is that day when you can actually check this off of your list and get it done. And the reason is because it only takes 7 minutes to do. 7 minutes. That's as long as this video is that I'm going to take and shoot today is 7 minutes. And during that 7 minutes, you could have this completely finished. So I want to encourage you to not put it off any longer, to just do it, get it done. It's very painless. It's the simplest thing you'll ever see that you've ever done in your life. And after it's finished, you'll say, wow, why did I wait so long to get this done? It was painless. It was just a couple clicks and it was finished. And now I can move on with my life knowing and feeling comfortable that my family's taken care of, that I haven't left anything undone, and that if something, God forbid, were to happen to me, then my family would be taken care of. And that's right, that's what I'm talking about. I'm talking about life insurance. Now, on September the 18th of 2019, the world completely changed. In fact, on September 19th, the day after September the 18th, the world was in a completely different place. And what am I talking about? Well, on September the 18th, 2019, the fastest computer that was on the planet that took 10,000 years to solve a problem. On September the 19th, the day after, it only took 200 seconds. That's right. Quantum computing became a reality, and the world changed forever. And so in life insurance, the same transition has happened. So what I'm talking about is that now it only takes 7 minutes to apply and get approved for life insurance. Nobody's doing this, to my knowledge, where all you do is click on a link, you pick out how much coverage you want, you approve the amount, and then you get the exact dollar amount that it's going to cost. And you fill out just a very short questionnaire. You don't have to take any blood, no exams, no doctor visits. And within 2 minutes, 3 minutes, you're approved. That's right, and it's done. You can just check it off your list. And they'll even email you your policy. So there really is no more excuses. I mean, now's the time to really sit down, just take a second to get this done, because you know it's important and you have to do it. We all have to do it. We, God forbid, don't want to leave our family and our children in a difficult situation to have to fend for themselves or really struggle in their lives, put off college, whatever is your desire for your family. So I want to encourage you today just to go into my, just below this video, there should be a link somewhere. and just click on it. And within 7 minutes flat, by the time you start until the time you finish, you can have this checked off your list. So don't put it off anymore. There's really no need to do that. It's a new world today. Today's the day that you can take this seriously and just check it off. I know you've been thinking about it. It's been in the back of your mind, but you just never got around to getting it done because maybe you didn't know how to do it. Now, if you have any problems at all, or if you're more complex, or if you want to understand maybe some other strategies besides this, just reach out to me. Connect with me. Email, give me a call. Be happy to talk to you and help you to make sure you get it done today. Okay, so today is a day in which we no longer procrastinate. We no longer are going to put it on the back burner, but we're going to put it front and center and get it done. Okay, so you make that commitment to me, make it to your family, and you make it to yourself, because you are the only one that can do it. I can't do it for you. Your family can't do it for you. And there's no reason why you can't do it yourself. So take the time, get it done. Make sure that tomorrow when you wake up, it won't be back on the back burner, but it will actually be checked off your list, and you can get back to whatever it is that you like to do, knowing that your family's cared for, and that, God forbid, anything were to happen, that they'd be taken care of. Okay? So make that commitment to yourself, and it's 7 minutes right now. That's as long as it would have taken, and you'd be finished. All right? God bless. Take care. Get it done.